together. Yeah. They say man's best friend is a dog.
Shout out to the squad, aka family. It's your boy Ken over at KENZ Lifestyle Vlogs and Video, man. Here with another banger for y'all this morning. Yes, sir. It is 8 a.m. in the morning on this Good Friday. You know what I mean? Well, when y'all see this video, it ain't gonna be on no Friday, but for me, it's Friday. For y'all, it may be goddamn Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. I don't know. But the weather caught me by surprise today, man. I did not know it was gonna be 45 degrees. You know what I'm saying? Here I am thinking we on the way to summer. Winter say, nah, bruh, I ain't done yet. So what we going to go do right now, as you can tell by the title in the video. See what I'm in Silver Surfer. Yes, sir, I'm in Silver Surfer. But what we on the way to go do right now, we on the way to go get this exhaust tightened up. You know what I'm saying? The exhaust got a little leak in it, you know, from these dudes that we took it to the first time. Hopefully today they get it right. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't take it to Marshall Muffler where I got Big Baby. We didn't take it to Marshall Muffler where we got Big Baby done at. That's for sure. If you go back and look at the videos, totally different staff that did Silver Surfer from Big Baby. But yeah, that's what we on the way to go do right now. So y'all just ride with me today, kick it with me. And if you're just watching this video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss another video, and drop a like and a comment down in the comment section. 100. All right, so look, I made it here, but man, these folks talking about an hour and a half wait. Man, what the hell they got going on, bro? Come on, man, look at this here. Every time I come to this muffler shop, bro, Rainbow Muffler. Come on, man, every time I come here, they got a lot full, bro. They like they ain't never working. Who this is calling, bro? Oh, this Hollywood T, man. Y'all hold on a second.
Oh, you got me on the vlog?
Yeah, here go Hollywood T, y'all.
Yeah, man. Y'all know what it is. That boy out there making big moves. Big moves. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to the squad. AKA family. Y'all know how we do around this home. I ain't gonna even say it. But I had it big job.
All right, man, so I'm over here once again with Marshall Muffler. Let me go ahead and put the sign up there so y'all know it's real. Marshall Muffler and Brake, tow and complete car care, free estimates. There go the number right there if y'all want to call up here and get an estimate on your vehicle. But I'm up here with Joel and his brother right now. They about to get Silver Surfer right. I had to come over here instead of the last place that I was at. Hold on, it's Hollywood T once again. I was interrupted by Hollywood T, man. We're up here getting Silver Surfer right. As you can see, she on the racks. Had to leave the other place, man. The line was too long, and I was like, what the hell am I thinking? Let me come over here to Joel, man, you know. Joel touch all our cars. So, this is what we getting done today. We cutting this here off. Yes, sir. We cutting this motherfucker right here clean off. It gots to go. Making too much noise. Bro got the duals ran. But that right there gots to go. Now, y'all remember this right here? This came off of my truck. Hella weight reduction. Ride so much better, sound so much better, start so much aggressive. Especially a cold start in the morning, y'all heard it. That thing, pop-boom, pop-boom. Look at him, you going to work already. Works so quickly. I'm impressed. work so quickly. Look at that. Hanging off already. Y'all understand, man. Joel's the man when it comes to this, man. He has not let me down, brothers and sisters. Look at him. Look at him. Serious. That's a serious face right there. Come on. Come on. There you go. Toss him out. Toss him. Yep, you hear all that? Look at him. Serious, man. He's serious. He's serious over there. Look at him. Like a lion in his natural habitat.
On the block burner till you heard about me. Every day I'm waking up, I get that money out of it. Young hood nigga made it from the project housing. My auntie know I'm rolling dope, she got that word about me. I'm the realest nigga breathing if I die or not. They ain't killer JoJo, make me wonder why I lie. I was playing basketball when it was on the block, but now I play the block and I play the top. I'm headed to the top, I'm aiming at your top. I run this shit, don't care if you don't fuck with me or not. I'm a real soldier with some of my homicides, so play pussy, bet your mama cry before mine. I'm from Fort Myers, young nigga, blood thicker than a stop sign. I'm the truth in my section, nigga, stop lying.
Working, man. Y'all see how fast he working, man. Y'all take my word for it. Y'all take the videos proof for it, man. He's working like a damn jackrabbit up here, like fast as I don't know what Energizer Bunny that is. You feel me?
This is a wrap.
That's right. It's a wrap. And about how long it took?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. What we ended up doing?
Cutting the resonator out, putting a piece of pipe in its place.
Yes, sir. That's why in some of those videos y'all heard that rattling noise when bro got ready to start the car up. That was the problem right there. So now she should be silent night, no rattling. Yes, sir. The man strikes again. Joel himself. Let him know where to find you, Joel.
6287 Highway 85 Riverdale. 770-907-9100.
Yes, sir. And when y'all come up here, let them know KENZ LYFESTYLE sent y'all. You already know. Ask for Joel. Yes, sir. Silver Surfer. Yes, sir.
See you in a minute.
All right. Yeah, boy, man, we got this thing back. We about to test ride. You know what I'm saying? I don't doubt Joel and them work, but I just want y'all to hear it. You know, y'all ain't never heard it. Supercharged. Oh man. Hey boy. Y'all better come see Joel, man. In Riverdale off of, oh Lord, they about to die. Had them made a U-turn when all these cars was coming, man. With the dump truck and everything. But yeah, man, if y'all haven't, man, y'all better come see Joel over here on Highway 85 in Riverdale, Georgia. Supercharger. Man, that supercharger something serious, boy. Hey, look. Man, this car fun, bro. I don't care what y'all say. If it's how old it is, whatever. It's 2004, but you still have plenty of fun with this thing here, boy. Look here. And do y'all hear it? Do y'all hear any noise like rattling or anything like that? Hell no, man. Joe's work is official. You hear me? His work is official, man. The man is talented. You know what he doing. So, I'm gonna end this video off right here, man. Y'all know how I end all my videos, man. I need you to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to bring a friend. over here, the KENZ lifestyle vlogs and videos to get a what? Bang out of life. And to that next one was out here like last year. Gone.
That snake on a low pro 3 beats chrome Asante wheels is how I'm skating. Limb hustle, pistol on my lap. Niggas making threats. Me, I'm trying to ball. Niggas wishing death. Probably all just talking. Probably idle threats, but since I seen this shit happen, I can't take this shit for less. Smoking as I drive.